Welcome back. Well, it's that time of the year when we just don't feel like dressing up. I, for one, certainly don't. But I was convinced to go and check out the Beauty Lounge Salon 2000 that just relaunched at the Sheraton Park Hotel and Towers. Maybe some of their pamper packages will help us tide this summer.
Get gorgeous and groomed this summer. And one way you can do that is by heading to the revamped unisex salon, the Beauty Lounge Salon 2000 at the Sheraton Park Hotel and Towers. It's the brain, or rather beauty child, of Lily Madhok. Lily Madhok is a nutritionist by profession and believes in combining nutrition and beauty.
This is the Salon 2000, which we are launching as the Beauty Lounge. And we have been the only unisex parlor since the last 25 years. And we have been providing grooming services to both gentlemen, ladies, and the kids. And people talk herbal today. But we have been a Shinaz Herbal franchisee, the only franchisee in a 5-star hotel for the last 25 years. And our treatments for the skin, like anti-age, pigmentation, acne, are so very popular that people all over the world make advance appointments and come and visit us.
With actress Khushbu and fashion designer Rehani as the chief guests, it sure was a launch with a high glamour quotient. Spotted at the launch were many other bigwigs from the industry, most being loyal customers of Lily Madhok. Michelle took over the dais and played host for the evening. The evening was all about the beauty and health quotient. It was an interactive launch with questions being asked and prizes being given away. But if it was all about beauty, and beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, why all the fuss about grooming oneself?
The beauty, of course, lies in the eyes of the beholder, but then it always depends how much you present yourself. Like you say that a man's character is known by the shoes he wears. So it's the same way, like you have to present yourself. However beautiful you are, you have to groom yourself to make yourself look a little more better and more presentable. It's not about the superficial work you get done, but of course, I'm sure nobody likes unkept nails or outgrown double chin or eyebrows being not done. So I think that's what helps.
The grooming process does not end without getting the hair right. Your hairdo can make or break your look, and some say that it has the power to even determine your mood. So it goes without saying that the mane matters.
Well, I think basically in summer in Chennai, at least the only thing you can do and should do is tie your hair up. You know, you need to just put a ponytail and just, keep it simple. And I mean, we generally blow dry our hair and, whatever, give it a wave or whatever in the evenings because, we are in this kind of controlled environment. So that's, so, I mean, it works like that. But otherwise, if you're on the go, you need to just put your hair up in one of those scrunchies. Otherwise, you're dead.
The lovely ladies and charming men at the launch did make heads turn. But once the launch kicked off, all eyes were on the pretty damsels and the bad boys on the ramp. Their clothes and hair did all the talking and left the crowd quite pleased. Jazzing the night up were the salsa and jazz performances by John Brito's dance group. At the end of the day, the topic of discussion was the new salon. And with such a high-profile client list, it might soon become one of the hot favorites.
You know, when you mention beauty, a lot of people think, oh, this is not what I want. But I feel that you have to put your best face forward. You wear your clothes sometimes, but you wear your face all the time. And your crowning glory, which is your hair. And we intend to groom people. I don't want to do beauty treatment, to groom. You know, every woman is born with assets and she has to improve upon it. And we will help her improve upon it and not only look beautiful, but be self-confident and face the world in a very, very graceful way.
All that seems certainly worth checking out. They have some interesting herbal treatments and they sure are giving grooming a whole new meaning. Coming up on the other side, a book launch and the story about those who headed for a blind date at Escape Cinemas and got a double dose of surprises. Stay tuned to find out more.